Hey guys, this is an installation video on the Game Changer side mount. So I want to show you guys the proper way to install this. There was a video on the actual description, but I can't make you guys actually watch the videos. So I'm going to show you again. There's going to be a sticker on this when you get it. From now on, it's going to give you a QR code, scan that, and it's going to bring you here. So anyway, on the Game Changer mount, this is how it comes. If it is not installed correctly, as I'm going to show you, it is possible to break this top tab here. This tab has never broken under use, and in extreme conditions, guys, it does not break. The only way that this has ever broken, and it's been one time, is with an incorrect installation because they failed to watch the video. So here is an updated video. When you get your mount, go ahead and undo the thumb screw, and then you can just let this slide on down. Okay, so this is going to go on the bottom mount. This is in the top. Let me show you that right now. Now that also brings me to the point where you have to have this Sea-Doo link accessory. You don't have to have the cup holder, but you have to have this, and it comes with the bottom part too. Some models, this will be all one piece, but on the models like mine, this is the 21 GTX 230, same on the 170. It comes in two pieces. Some people get lazy and they say, I'm only going to do this, I don't need this. You cannot use my mount unless you have this bottom piece. Install both when you get them. It comes with it, so install it. So let's show you how to use this mount. Now you're going to take and you're going to slide the bottom one in here. At the same time, the top one goes in here. Now you're going to set it on here just like that. You're not going to push. Do not grab this and push it down. You're going to push your thumb right here. That's the only place you need to touch. That's it. Do not take this mount and set it in there and grab it from here and pull down. Do not. You have a chance of breaking this tab. Push it. It's one-handed, really. One-hand operation. Push this. It'll slide into place. Once that's done, you take your collar, move it up underneath, and insert your thumb screw. Now do not tighten this down all the way until you get your selfie stick in there, as it will come through and prevent you from putting your selfie stick in. So once you get your selfie stick in there, then you can tighten this down all the way, and that is securely mounted. Now to remove this, I do recommend you take these off your ski, especially if it sits in the sun for a very long time. If you're putting it under a cover like mine, it's not a big deal. But if yours sits out in the sun, I recommend taking this off. You're going to remove the set screw or the thumb screw. Just slide your collar down from underneath here. Again, it's a one-hand operation. Push up. That's it. Grab your mount and you're done. So that is how you install this mount. Guys, it's very, very simple. And again, proper installation. I have never broken one of these mounts, and I've never had one returned, period, out of all of them that I've sold. All right, guys, so that's how you install the Game Changer side mount. It's very, very simple. Do it this way. You won't have a problem. Enjoy. We'll see you on the water.